Hi everyone, my name is Bimba and I'm here with my friend Bhavani. In this video, we will be discussing the different strategies for different topics of the PTE Academic test. Moving on, Bhavani, the next topic we will be discussing is reading fill in the blanks, also colloquially known as drag and drop fill in the blanks. This is the question which contributes to the reading section, reading module, and it is the fourth question type in reading, right after reorder. It is a question where you're provided with passages with bunch of blanks, all of the options provided at the bottom of the screen, and you're supposed to drag and drop the answers. What are some of the mistakes we need to avoid in reading fill in the blanks, you think?
Well, in reading fill in the blanks, there is no negative marking in the question. So leaving blanks unanswered is a big not do in the question. So do not leave any blanks unanswered because there's no negative marking. So you could always make an educational guess, even if you're not sure if that's the answer, because you could, at the end of the day, if you're lucky, you could be right.
Yeah, correct.
So do not leave blanks unanswered is the not do. Do you have any strategies that you would follow for reading fill in the blanks?
I would say for reading fill in the blanks, to a large extent, grammar is a driving force to find the correct answers in reading fill in the blanks. So having a basic grammar knowledge is very important, and it's important that you work your way up to at least intermediate grammar level, because a lot of answers are connected to grammar. Now, in addition to that, understanding the context is definitely important. So you cannot just rely on grammar to figure out the answer. Again, amidst trying to implement grammatical rules, you might forget to actually understand the sentence. So understanding the context and using grammar as your companion along the way might actually help you figure out the right answer.
Yes, I think that's quite helpful, Pemba,
Flowy!